all your mean, mean pride. Though his mind is not for rent, don't put him down.
It is day 3 aboard the USS Coca-Cola. The day is very uneventful, still no sight of land, and all the men are very bored.
Hey look, a pigeon! That's not a pigeon. Yes it is. No, it's not. $5 that's a pigeon. You're on. Shoot it down. All right, hey. Let's see who's right when it falls. Get my thing shot.
Dude, you missed.
That's pretty close, Val.
Wait, I think it saw you.
I think it might have clipped his wing. I think I broke my wing.
Wait, no, guys, look. I think it saw you.
He's coming
What?
closer.
It's coming?
He's coming down.
Oh.
Okay.
No, he's coming.
He's coming. Want a mess, pigeon? No, not the ship. No, please, not the sail. No, not the sail. Stop it. Stop, not our sail. Jerk. Stupid pigeon. Stupid pigeon.
Hello.